little while until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off and the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate. As they are proceeding to a standoff bay and refuel in the aircraft shortly after arrival, it is important that all your electronic devices, including your mobile phones, do remain switched off till well inside the terminal building. Today we'll be using the forward and the rear left-hand doors to disembark. For your own safety, please do hold on to the handrails to go down the stairs, follow the markings on the tarmac and any other directions given to you by the Jetstar staff. And of course, smoking is definitely not allowed as you disembark the aircraft all throughout the terminal building. Please do take care when opening the overhead lockers as your bags may have moved during the flight. And Jetstar is pleased to announce that Avis and Budget offer special car rental rates to Jetstar customers. Just mention you are a Jetstar customer and the Avis or Budget car rental desk in the airport to receive these discounts. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire team, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar today. It has been our pleasure to have you all on board. We do look forward to seeing you when next you choose to travel. Thank you and good afternoon.